As I discussed yesterday about the difference between organic reaction and inorganic reactions, so many comments came to me, so I am very happy. Today I will discuss about the reaction only organic compounds. First of all, you have to make a differentiate between inorganic reaction organic reactions. एज जैसा कि मैंने क्लास 10 में देखा, एज यू आई हैव स्टडीड इन ए क्लास 10 that inorganic reactions are very simple. They are taking only one step to complete its reaction, but in class 11 there is a great difference between organic chemistry. There are so many intermediate products. No doubt these intermediate products are hypotheticals. It has no any chemical proof, even though we are writing this, because they are based on the logic. In an inorganic reactions, there is a dissociation of the compounds. Products and the reactants are the part of inorganic reactions. So very it is easy. But in class 11, our brain is developed. The rate of reaction is also high. So please focus on the process of chemical reactions. Here minimum 4 to 5 intermediates are formed. First of all, there is a two parts. He has to break the bond, then shifting of the electrons and new formations is taking place, and the new bond is formed. Then we are reaching on the final stage. First one part, that is called reagent. It is known as electrophile carrying the positive charge, and second nucleophile carrying the negative charge. Question is there, how we can understand these are nucleophile, these are electrophile. It is attacking on a substrate, the main, but it is very easy to make them understand. Reagent has negative and positive charge. There is no any carbon atom, but in a substrate it has a carbon, or there is no any charge. First of all, reagents attack on substrate and bond is going to break. There is a shifting of electrons from low electronegative to high electronegative. As we have read, those have more valence electrons in the last orbit in comparison with second, that is called more electronegative. Before starting these reactions, you can these reactions, we have to know who are more electronegative, who are less more electronegative. As for example, carbon, here is oxygen. When we are going to write electronic configurations of these two, we are getting 2, 4, or here 2, here 6. In the last orbit, here in a carbon 4 electrons are there, or in a oxygen there are 6 electrons. So 6 is more than the 4, so electronegative of oxygen is more than carbon. If in any substrate there is a carbon and oxygen, so electron will shift from carbon to oxygen. So that side where electron will shift, there is a chance to get a negative. From where it will shift, there is a chance to positive. Such you can see, just for example, CH3 single bond O double bond OH. This it is a substrate or H plus. It is a electrophile. So before attacking the hydrogen on substrate, the bond will break. First chance, pi bond will break. Here this double bond is there, one of them is a pi bond. This pi bond will shift carbon to oxygen, because oxygen is a more electronegative, so electron will shift from carbon to oxygen, so carbon will get negative, oxygen will get negative, carbon will get positive. Or here in a electrophile there is a positive charge, so these negative will attack here. Or